Hi, I'm Philip B., founder and formulator of Philip B. Botanicals. You have oily flakes, you have dry flakes, and you have itchy dry flakes. If you don't wash your scalp enough, you can have an overgrowth of sebum, of oil. That's seborrheic dermatitis. If you have an issue with malassezia, the fungus that's naturally present on the skin where it multiplies at a rapid rate, you can actually have more of an issue, which is the traditionally known dandruff issue, which is itchy, flaky scalp. If you have a dry, flaky scalp, you probably want to use something soothing and calming like my Santa Fe shampoo. It has chlorophyll, which is soothing to the scalp, calming, known in the medical books for treating rashes and scalp issues and skin issues as well. If you have an oily scalp, which is more seborrheic dermatitis, you probably want to go into it with the peppermint and avocado shampoo and my scalp scrub, a great remedy, cooling and clarifying. If you have a fungal issue where you're dealing with malassezia, well, you probably want to keep your scalp clean and fresh and making sure that your hygiene's good. You would like to probably go into it with something like my peppermint and avocado shampoo, followed up with my anti-flake shampoo. Yes, back to back, 2 consecutive shampoos. One primes the scalp, the other one detoxes the scalp, knocks off some of those fungal organisms, giving it a natural balance back. Proper brushing, very important. I always say to my clients that you should proper brush before you get in the shower and wet your hair. You always brush dry, not wet. You want to use a natural boar bristle brush, which helps to carve the passages through the hair, allowing the boar bristle to pick up the natural sebum and transport it down the hair shaft. Another great tip is when you shampoo, always use the fleshy pads of your fingertips, never use your fingernails. Even if your scalp's flaky, just grind the hair into the scalp gently and calmly. That will help to loosen up the cells and slide them off the scalp gently, giving you a nice, refreshing wash.